and welcome to another story and snack time. Today's story is Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party by Kimberly and James Dean. So let's get ready to make our snack. Okay, so the first thing we're going to put into our bento box is for Callie Cat from the book. If you remember, she liked pretzels on her pizza. So we're going to put a bunch of pretzels into our bento box. Oh, they're a little broken. That's okay. And the next Grumpy Toad, he likes pickles. So we're going to put some delicious pickles, not on our pizza, but into our bento box. And next is Gus, and he likes popcorn. And we got special kettle corn popcorn today. Yummy. I bet it'd be even better on the pizza. What do you think? And next we have Alligator, and his favorite is papaya. And we have some pieces of papaya we're gonna put next to our pickles. And now that we filled up our papaya in our bento box, we're gonna put our last touches, and that's Pete. And his favorite thing is the Pizza Party pizza. We have little pepperoni bites for Pete. Perfect. Thanks for joining us in our story and snack time. Make sure you check out the book, Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party. And make sure you make your own bento box and put your own favorite toppings in there. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you soon. Bye.